Etoro versus Plus 500 2021. Best stock market investing app. Hi guys, today I am comparing Plus 500 with Etoro to figure out which investing app is better for you to use in 2021. So let's get started. Now, first we have Plus 500 on the screen, and we will be actually comparing their fee, their pricing, what are the features they have, and what different tools they offer in order to make the trading easy for you and in order to make this whole process more efficient for you. So yeah, first we have Plus 500. Now Plus 500 is one of the most famous trading investment app out there because it is very efficient, found in almost all the countries. Now, first drawback for me is that Etoro does not operate in the country that I live in. So I had country restrictions. So that's a big thing for me now. That's a big drawback. And for me, the first point goes to Plus 500 because I cannot even get access to eToro right here. So in Plus 100 actually works in all the countries. And okay, now I'm thinking maybe it's just me who's not getting the access, but it is the country restriction. So yeah guys, let me show you around eToro as well. First, if we talk about the pros of eToro, eToro offers access to 15 cryptocurrencies, low minimum to fund an account and begin investing, social trading, ability to match move of popular traders. So that's pretty good. And if we talk about the cons of eToro, service only available in 41 US states. See, that's what I told you about. It does not even operate in most of the US states. It just operates in 41, and like more than half, but few the states do not have eToro, and most of the countries do not have eToro as well. You can see right here, while eToro has forex and equity trading available in other countries, US eToro customers are limited to crypto trades. Now, if you are a US based customer of eToro, then you are limited to crypto trades. That's also a drawback of eToro. If we talk about Plus 500, so if we see right here, if we talk about the trading of Plus 500, trade the world's most popular marketers and explore endless trading opportunities. We offer 2000 plus financial instruments. So when it comes to trading tools, Plus 500 has a lot of trading tools, which is amazing. If we go to instrumental categories right here, you can see they provide crypto, indices, forex, commodities, shares, options, ETFs, and all instruments. If I go to all instruments, then I will be able to show you that what are the other instruments that Plus 500 gives. Now, you might ask that, I am just stating facts about these two. Now, it's not about which one is better than the other, because if you are doing trading and if you are living in a state does not have eToro, then you're definitely gonna go with Plus 500, right? And when it comes to eToro, it's very professional and it's very limited right now that some of the times we cannot avail it, and we cannot avail what options it has and how does it work. So that's the things. But if you have eToro in your state, then it's gonna be amazing because eToro is one of the best. So you can see right here all the instrument. If I go to all the instrument, you can see all of these different instruments, different cryptos, all of this information, which is about thousands of products and instruments. You can see they have divided it into all, like for example, if we talk about crypto, so what's going to happen is they have a table for crypto in which you will be getting information about everything. For example, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Stellar, or it's Ethereum. So you can go to full details. I want to get the information about Ethereum, so I will simply click on Ethereum right here. Okay, so you can see right now this is how Plus 500 actually works. You can see the market value of Ethereum right here, for how much you can actually sell it and for how much you can actually buy it. And it's actually, increasing and decreasing by nanoseconds right here. They're actually giving you the warning as well, cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. So you can see the overview of PLUS500 right here, that how does it work and how does it gives you all of these different features. But if we compare it to Etoro right here, and let me show you what Etoro has. For example, different features of Etoro's. The minimum deposit for Etoro is $50 to $200, and in Etoro I think there was no minimum deposit. If we talk about all in cost euro or USD active, there is none. Active traded, yes, and agency brokers, yes. Market maker, yes. So that's pretty amazing. I think that's actually really good. And another good thing about Etoro is that it has, if we talk about the trading platform, Etoro has a lot of tools for you to avail from. So that's pretty actually amazing. And let me take you to a direct comparison between Etoro and PLUS500 so you can get an idea. You can see, if we talk about the regulation, trust score, Etoro has 92, PLUS500 has 98. Publicity traded lists, Etoro does not have, PLUS500 has. Bank, both of them do not have bank. Authorized in European Union, both of them are authorized. So yeah, you can see right here, if we go to investments, then you can see that forex trading is available in both of them. CFD trading is available in both of them. Tradable symbols are available in both of them, and for Etoro it's 3056 and for PLUS500 it's 1896. And if we talk about US stock trading, available in both. Let's look at this cryptocurrency physical. Now Etoro has physical cryptocurrency as well, but PLUS500 does not. Again, social trading or copy trading, Etoro has copy trading, but PLUS500 does not. So in these two regards, I think if it comes to investment, I think Etoro is a better option. You can see right here, in investment, Etoro is the winner. And then if we go to costs right here, cost and funding, you can see right here that active trader available in Etoro but not in PLUS500. Agency brokers available in Etoro but not in 500. And when it comes to the standard spread of USD, it's 1 according to August 2021 and 0.6 as of August 2018. When it comes to funding, minimum deposit is in PLUS500 it's 100 euros and Etoro has 50 to 200, and both of them have Skrill, Bankwise, MasterCard. So that's pretty amazing, right? You can add your funds from anything. Trading platforms, let's see, social trading again available in Etoro but not in PLUS500. So you can see right here, and when we talk about trading tools, most of them are available in both of them. For example, except charting and drawings, autosave is available in Etoro but not in PLUS500. So overall, if we compare PLUS500 and Etoro, I would say that Etoro has better investment tools, has better options for you, but it's not available in some of these states. And when it comes to being a little easy, being beginners friendly, Etoro is not that beginners friendly. But when we talk about PLUS500, it is beginners friendly, it is available, and it has a lot of tools, and it has these options that you will not get in other trading apps, investing apps as of now. So yeah, both of these are actually pretty amazing. If you want to use any of these, you can just go ahead and check them out. You can check out this article as well, from where I was actually checking out their comparison. Compare them both and check out which is better for you to use in 2021. I hope that I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.